Welcome to this fabulous home located in Zamoranos in the very centre of Andalusia. It is 1 hour 30 minutes approximately from Malaga Airport. The property has 7 bedrooms, but there are also numerous rooms that you can convert and use as desired. There are some lovely features in the property that would be definitely worth maintaining. You will notice all of the beautiful tiled floors throughout. This reception room does give access to 4 rooms and the stairs, and also, as you will see right now, to the central patio. The village does have basic amenities of a couple of shops, bars, a bank, a pharmacy, doctors, but the nearest town is Priego de Córdoba, which has all major supermarkets and anything you would need. There is only the 1 bathroom in the property, which is here on the ground floor, so you may want to work out where you would put your bathroom on the first floor. Now just heading through the door below the green window right here and into the room with the shutters that we've just seen. Another stunning tiled floor. So we've just walked through the right hand side of the building, the wall on the right now. We came in through the door with the curtains and we're back out into the patio. This part of the property is the section that needs the most refurbishment. You may want to consider leaving this till last and working on the main part of the property initially, to put it exactly how you want it. We will go back to that old section later, but first of all, let's go up to this first floor. You can see the roof of the property from here. There's currently no problems with it, but as you can see, it's not new. The section to the left hand side is asbestos, which would need removing professionally if you were to remove it. If not, it's fine. This room is located at the front of the house, so the balconies overlook the main street. These doors in front were closed when I first came into this room, and I had thought that it was just a tiny cupboard. And we walk inside to find the hugest walk-in wardrobe that I've ever seen anywhere. I think this tiled floor is my favourite out of them all. It's just beautiful. If that's not enough, we have yet a further area on the second floor, which is definitely ready to be refurbished. As I said earlier, although the roof does seem to be quite old, there's no signs of leaks or damp on this floor. This is where the wheat or the corn would have been kept. A fascinating look at the past and the history of Spain. We are now heading back down to the ground floor, onto the patio, or the internal courtyard, and to the back of the property, which gives access to another street. We briefly touched on this earlier. A wonderful area that could be converted into an extra living space, completely independent actually, with the back entrance, or hobby rooms. I was meant to show you this more closely while I was filming, but just in front of us now you can see some of the spare tiles. They're the tiles that are used in the hallway in the entrance room, and you would have seen that they're really quite thick and made of concrete. The little box on the wall is the handle for opening the wrought iron gate in front of us. Please note that a wide lens camera is used to show you the whole of a room, therefore rooms may look a little bit wider than they are in reality.
Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and also I hope that you liked the property. If you would like more information, please contact me, Leslie, on 0034 646 004 582. That's 646 004 582. If you're serious about the property, please make sure you don't just put a comment below. As much as I, of course, love all of your comments, please comment, and I do read them and I will answer. But if you really want to take your inquiries further and want to view the property, it's better to contact me on the number that I've just given you. If you want to be notified, or one of the first notified on properties released like this, click and subscribe here. Watch this video for something else that you might be interested in.